What's up everybody? Welcome back to Nerdy Couch. Stick around to the end of the video and I'll tell you how you can win some of these sweet Kaldheim packs. Speaking of Kaldheim, I'm going to be showing you some sweet Kaldheim box breaks, and for that I'm going to be sending you over to my buddy Brad. And if you want to see more videos like this, you can head over to Bootowns Games and Hobbies, both on Twitch and YouTube. Also, if you want to get in on one of these box breaks, go over to bootownsgamesandhobbies.com and sign up for one of those. Alright, let's get to that box break.
So if number 6 doesn't fill up, what we'll do is, or what we normally do is we just refund everybody who got into it. Colorless? Yeah, there's some decent artifacts and stuff like that in here. There's a bunch of, it's kind of all strewn amongst it. I think some of the better, I think of what would be, messages here. The best out of colorless? That's a good question. Alright, so here we go. Okay. Foil Rider. And we start with the Cosmos Charger. Moonstone. Steel. Just gonna... Oh, that's the Loki. So this is the Loki apparently. Here, we'll leave it right there. Oh. Yeah, some of these packs just don't want to open. Foretell token. Ooh, nice. The Waltz Trickery. That's a nice card. That is fair. Blessing of Frost. Vengeful Reaper. And there. So this is, yeah, box break number 5. And again, we will keep going if they keep selling out. If number 7 sells out, we will put up a number 8. Ooh, nice foil 3 Seasons. Followed up by a Rally of the Ranks. And we will be having, next week, we will be doing collector's booster box breaks. Those are going to be pretty wild. And set boosters also on top of that. Oh, well, that's not a bad start. That's Mr. Loki. That's a good one. I'm gonna have to move these guys out of the way. Well, you were right. It was in the box. It just wasn't in the pack. Well, there might be one in this pack still. So, yep. Crazy thing about Loki is the fact that he, you can hit him off Cascade of 2, which is insane, which makes Jund terrifying. And just another thing is, if anybody's interested in tracing, that's actually a good one. I'm going to have to find out. We'll go off the ruling of what the card is legally in Magic, if it would be considered a multi or a black card. I'm not 100% sure, so I don't want to say anything without knowing exactly. But I'll get a judge, actually Scott, if you're still here, I know it might be a conflict of interest on that one, but we'll double check it. But Search for Glory, another great card. I want to say, yeah, I believe it's considered a multicolored card. But again, I will definitely have to. I want to get like a 100% judging or ruling on that one. Nice, a braggy. Shaper. Yeah, because it would be any of the colors on the front face, right? Would be, I think that's how that, yeah, because I think Pathways also, because it does have both the symbols on it, but again, we will definitely get a judge call on that one. Crippling Fear. So I believe that would put the multicolor spot really high up on the list. Nice. Righteous Valkyrie. Yeah, the bottom left of the card, it has... it does have the... right over here again. It does have the mana symbols. 4 Tybalt on it. Battle for Brengrad. And just to let all the new viewers here, because we're getting a bunch from all over the place here. Welcome to the stream. Ashes of Fallen. And a Pathway. Nice. This is the green-blue, aka the Moses Pathway. Trying to get that to stick. That's nice. That's very nice. I'm sure we'll put that up there with Loki, because Pathways are gorgeous. Oh, looks like we got a notification here. Archer Tree Line. Oh, a foil. Oh, those are gorgeous in foil. Is a foil Finn the Fair Bearer, Fang Bearer, blah. Followed by a Rise of the Dread, and then a Herald. This is the Altar pack. Oh. Well, there's another God of Fright. Man, we are just smashing the gods tonight. The Altar God of Fright. That will go to Scott, I believe. Yep. That's gorgeous. And the art on that one here, I'll show the back on it. The art on this one's just amazing with the lantern. Yeah, this is the second one tonight. We actually haven't gotten a normal one. Because that's a bad thing. That's a good thing. That's what we want. The first one was not foil. Yeah, it was not. It was just a normal one like that. Link Chasm. Followed up by a big old vampire dragon. I love the alt art on that one. Betrayer King is just gorgeous. I think we got a couple of them in foil. They're just phenomenal. Elvish War Master. Elvish War Master. Giants. Saw it coming. Saw that coming from a mile away. Tree line. Raven form. Ooh, in foil. That's really nice. All by Ascendant Spirit, which is also really nice. Does he only target other dragons? That's a good question. Is it just blood, or is it just like dragon blood, or can he go with anything? Like, I don't know. That's a good question. Master Skull foil, followed up by a Showdown of the Skulls. Wow, this is a very singing pack. Ignore my terrible, terrible jokes. You're laughing on the inside. Thanks, Dan. Thanks, Sarcasto. Doomscar. New Wrath of God. I don't know how I feel about this one. I like the foretell mechanic. I really do. Yeah, Skyrim was, well, you know, if it's not really Skyrim because it's just Norse mythology, right? Because Dark Age Camelot had skulls as a playable class back in the day. If anybody remembers that. Oh, what a great game that was. Snow-covered plains, followed by another pathway. Very nice. This is the black-red pathway. We haven't seen any fuller pathways yet, now that I've probably changed it. Our bear wall, our grumble. Boomer, hey! Oh, come on! That's a little uncalled for. I'm not a boomer. Man, ouch. Just because I played a good MMO. You kids get off my lawn. How's it going? Tirade Sanction, Sanctum. Another really fun card. Let's make bear gods. Bear gods. I do have some bias towards bears as I play a bear deck. Star Wars: The Old Republic. Was that the online? What was the online one that they ended up ruining? Good old Sony or EA. Like, the game was great, and then they just absolutely hosed it. Oh wow. Oh, Tyler. Congratulations, sir. That is Galaxy. Yeah, that is a Phyrexian Vorinclick. That is insane. I'm just gonna put that in the sleeve right now. It's not foil. I don't know if you can get them foil. I think you can, but I'm not 100% sure. There's a top loader. That is absolutely gorgeous. I wasn't sure if we were able to get them. That is proof in the pudding. Yeah, this guy is not cheap. That is insane. I'm gonna have to move these guys here. They are definitely getting replaced. But oh, I need something that we're gonna have to hold that up. I don't know how to put this over here. Get. Yeah, that's hide it. That's here. Let's finish that pack. But holy smokes, that's insane. I don't know. I don't think we can top that. That is a foil one is the only way to top that, I believe. Yeah, that is insane. Insane. That's right, Kenneth. That's worth about. Yeah, about 145, I think. Yep. Oh, jeez. You know what? Let's follow it up with a foil rare. Blood in the Snow. Yeah, I think he's only in the collector boxes in foil, but you know what? If you can get him non-foil in your normal box, I think that's cool. Oh, Waking of the Trolls. Yeah, the foil one's ridiculous. It's like $400 or $500 right now. Sweet. Got a spot number 7 there. See if we can pull another Horn Clicks like that out of the max box too. That's crazy. Oh, back-to-back foil rare, sure. Reckless Crew. With the sneaky Squirrel. Your Squirrel Commander has arrived. Yeah, I need to get one of those Warren Clixes for my bear deck. Quake Bringer. Oh, that's a mythic. Right up there. Great Hall. Oh, love the art on that. The Watcher. Dream Devourer. Another really, I think, an underappreciated card. Giving everything you had Foretell to get it out of your hand and protect it. I don't know, man. That's pretty legit. So I believe once it's in Foretell, it stays there even if he goes away. I don't know if there's any judges in the chat that might be able to let me know if I'm right on that one or not. Has there been an artifact yet? We've had, like as a rare? That's a good question. I will check. If you end up getting snubbed, I'll throw a little something extra in there for you. I got some promos and stuff I can hand out. Tundra Fumble. Got foil there. Elder Leaf Mentor. Blood in the Snow. Non-foil. They will stay. Okay, that's what I thought. Which makes it really, really good because it's a special ability, so you can get them out of your hand. Nice. A God of Voyage. Replicating Ring, still love this card. For those long drawn-out games, definitely helps protect you with for mana. Replicating Ring. Splendid Marshal. Path of the World Tree. Shepherd of the Cosmos. And Ritual Slayer. Yeah, just so you know, it says there's 8 on the top. I think so. Where is it? Right there. Oh, right where spots left. I have to manually update that, and I'm not able to see it right now, so I can do a quick check to see where we're at for that. Oh, nice. A foil Flooded Plain. That's gorgeous. I love these new quote-unquote dual lands. The Bear of Lajara. Elderflow. It's done. I'll just double check now and see where we're sitting. And updated. Yep. Okay. 5 spots left, and then I'll check again at the end. And if we give it a little bit of time too, don't have to jump into it right away. 5 or 10 minutes to see if she'll fill up. Ooh, the Row Meter. That's a nice one too. This is another strong card. Again, this set is just full of craziness, beautiful art, and powerful things. Kennel Master. Followed up by a Dragon King Berserker. Four packs left. Nice. Blood Sky Sire. That's a fun little card. Okay. Havoc. I'll, it's up to you. If you want to go that route, we can. Okay, so we'll do that next to see if the... Ooh, nice, the Altered Kitty Chariot with bigger kitties. Big kitties. Wow, with bigger kitties. Oh, I need sleep. Really nice there. Okay, right. Trolls there, and Elvish Bow. Force, Raven's Warning. Oh, that makes sense. Your cat's becomes a kitty. Okay, so this was a Loki. That was the prediction on this one, I believe. All right, here we go. Oh, I don't think it's a Loki. It's not foil. It's not foil. However, it's still a what's it called? A Planeswalker. That's not bad. I'd say it's pretty good. Pretty good pull. That's a nice way to finish it up. So I have to say the prediction was pretty good on that one. Okay. Let's do a recap here. Those are foil rares. So quick mythic recap. Again, got a lot of really good pulls in this box. Look at that, definitely deserves to be there. Okay, so it looks like it was a 5 mythic box. Obviously, the gem is this absolutely beautiful card.
Alright guys, I hope you liked that box. Let's get on to the contest. I have 4 sets of 2 Kaldheim packs, which I'm going to be sending out to 4 different viewers. What you got to do to get these packs, guys: first, go over to Bootowns Games and Hobbies, either on Twitch or YouTube, and subscribe to him or follow to him if it's Twitch. Each one of those will get you a crack at 2 of these sweet packs. So that's 2 entry, 1 for the sub, 1 for the follow. Second off, go ahead and leave me a comment on this video stating Bootowns 1 or Bootowns 2. That's Bootowns 1 if you only did one of the 2, and Bootowns 2 if you did both. And then I'll check on it, and I will draw winners for these sweet packs. Alright guys, bye-bye now.